Welcome! Today, we're going to walk you through the quick and easy process of applying as a new applicant for a scholarship through the AAA Scholarship Management Platform, also known as SMP. Before we begin, please note, this video is for first-time applicants only. If you've ever applied for, received, or maintained a scholarship through AAA before, please check out our YouTube video on renewing your scholarship instead. Now let's get started. Step 1 involves determining your eligibility to submit an application. The first step in this process is to visit the eligibility page. Here, you'll answer a short series of questions to help determine whether you qualify for a AAA scholarship. You'll start by selecting the state you live in, followed by the type of scholarship you're applying for. In Arizona, Georgia, and Nevada, there is only one scholarship type available, so the choice is simple. If you do have a question though and would like to learn more about your scholarship options, you can always visit our website directly at www.AAAscholarships.org. Once you've completed the eligibility questions and are determined eligible to submit an application, you'll see a message letting you know you can move forward. Step 2 starts with creating your account. Click the Create Account button. On the next screen, enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. You'll also select your preferred language. You may select English or Spanish as your default language for completing your applications. Once everything is filled in, click Next. You'll now land on your home dashboard. This is where you'll begin your application, and it's also where updates will appear throughout the process. Step 3 is the point where you will start your application. From your dashboard, click the New Scholarship Application button in the upper right corner of the screen. Select your state and scholarship type again, then click Save. Now, click the green Start Household Application button. This is where you'll enter details about your household. As you complete your household application, the system will guide you through a number of steps that may vary depending on your individual circumstances, your state, and the scholarship type you have selected. You'll be asked for data such as information about the parents or legal guardians of the students applying for the scholarship, details about other people living in the household, and income information, if applicable. You'll also need to upload documents during this process, so be sure to have those documents handy as you begin this process. Now, as an important note to remember, all documents must be uploaded in files such as PDFs, JPEGs, or other standard formats. Please save all documents into one file and then complete the upload. The system will only allow you to upload one file. Therefore, if you have a document with many pages, please be sure to save them into one file, then complete the upload. Common documents that may be requested include the student's birth certificates, proof of where the student resides, and for income-based scholarships, your income documentation. Once you've completed all required steps and uploaded all necessary documents, click Save. You'll be returned to your dashboard. Now that your household information is saved, it's time to add your students. Click the blue Add Student button to add your students. You'll enter the student's name, date of birth, and select the application type. Then, choose how the scholarship will be used. In Arizona, Georgia, and Nevada, scholarships are always used for full-time private school. Click Add Student to continue. Next, you'll see a one-page form asking for more details about the student, including the grade they'll be entering next year. Be sure to enter this information accurately as it can affect eligibility and scholarship value. Once complete, click Save to return to your dashboard. To add another student, simply click Add Student again. Once all students have been added, click the green Submit Application button. You'll be asked to review the certification and authorization terms. After reading them, check the box that says I agree to the above given terms and then click Submit. Congratulations! Your application has now been submitted. You'll be returned to your dashboard, where you can access your application at any time by clicking the Access Application button. Please note, processing can take 2 to 4 weeks. We appreciate your patience during this time. If we need additional information to process your application, You'll receive an email notification asking you to log back into SMP to respond. New messages will appear by clicking the message indicator at the top of the screen. From within the message section, you may respond directly to requests, as well as upload documents that may be requested directly through the messaging interface. So be sure to check your inbox regularly and reply promptly to any requests. Once a determination is made, you'll receive another email. If your child is awarded a scholarship, you'll need to log back in and accept the award through your dashboard. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to the AAA YouTube channel, where we walk you through additional steps like application processing, school selection, and other helpful tips to make your experience with the AAA Scholarship Foundation even smoother. See you in the next tutorial.